Alright, I received this Paragon U28W drone in the mail today from USA Toys, and I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. So if you open it up, and the first thing you'll notice is the battery is right here on top, and you'll want to take that out and charge that before you can fly it. And then open this up. Alright, and this is what the box will look like when you open it up. And underneath the box will be your manual. And then you have this little bag here, and inside the bag there will be a charger, and this is your SD holder to put your pictures on the computer, and then extra propellers. And then you have the actual drone, and this one you can see it's pretty little, but it flies pretty good. I'll do a video in a little bit of that. If you look, this is the camera on the drone. And then you have the propeller guards here. And those are just, if you want to put them on, you can if you want, you don't have to. And then you have the controller. Now, it is good to note that on this controller, it takes AAAs instead of AA's, like most of the drone batteries. So, want to make sure you get yourself some AAAs, and then it has where you put your phone and everything. So that's it. That's what comes in the package for the U28W. Thank you guys for watching.